Lawrence Diary, 27 April 2026. Welcome back. Today I'm lost once again in the mountains of the Aosta Valley. This place, Lake Place Moulin, has something strange about it. The pale glacial blue, it doesn't feel entirely real. If you let your mind drift for a moment, you could imagine yourself somewhere in Canada. One day I'll go there, but for now, this is where I am. Walking this wide mule track, heading towards Rifugio Perrier. It's not far from home. I've been here before, but in May 2025, when I filmed this, coming back wasn't that simple. Things got in the way, plans shifted, and for a moment I thought I wouldn't make it. But something in me wouldn't let it go. So I come anyway, and that's what I want to talk about today. That feeling, it stayed with me, and the more I walked, the more I realized something. It was desire. Okay, after this relaxing b-roll, I think I got it. I'm almost sure you don't really know your desires, and that's not a bad thing, it's actually interesting. I'll go deeper into it later. So, what is a desire? It's simple. A desire is the pull towards something you believe will change your state. You are tired after work, you sit on the sofa and suddenly you want a beer. Not because of the beer itself, but because you think it will relax you, help you forget. Or maybe you are in a grey office, you see the sun outside and you want the mountains. It's always the same, a pull. Have desires, you won't suffer. I don't think that's healthy. Desire is what makes you move. You desire, you act, and through that, you grow. The problem isn't desire, it's attachment. Because when you cling to something, it usually means you don't see what's behind it. Something is moving in the shadow and you don't notice it. So you think you know what you want, but you don't. Take a simple example. Someone wants money, a lot of it. They chase it obsessively to the point where they lose themselves, but why? Is it really about money or something older? Maybe they grew up without it, maybe they felt less than others, maybe they learned that worth equals power and power comes through money. So, it's not money, it's just the surface. Real desires hide, that's why I like this line from Moby Dick. He piled upon the waves' white hump the sum of all the general rage and hate felt by his whole race, from Adam down. And then, as if his chest has been a mortar, he burst his hot heart's shell upon it. Akab doesn't just want to kill the whale. He's fighting something else, his own powerlessness, his fear of chaos, but he can't accept it, so he chases it. Akab is extreme, but he's not different from us. Our desires are just quieter, and if we don't acknowledge them, they don't disappear. They find another way, so what can you do? Ask yourself why, and then again, and again, until you reach a point where there's no more answer. That's where it is, because real desires lives beneath denial, and when you see it, you stop clinging, and you start moving differently. Anyway, while I was talking, I reached my destination. I hope you enjoyed this reflection. Why? Because I want this to grow, so subscribe. Why? Because creating matters to me, I need it. Why? Because one day this ends and what we leave behind stays. So, If even a small part of this reaches you, that's enough. As you can see, we are all a little bit like Akab. Until next time, may your boat sail in calm waters. Cheers. And yes, that last line from Moby Dick was also from Star Trek First Contact, yeah. Picard in that film is another perfect example of this, so I really recommend it. See you soon, folks.